If you've been struggling to get your first pull-up, you might be missing a key exercise progression that most beginners don't even know about. Bodyweight rows are great for building strength and muscle mass in the upper back. And with some practice, you can work up to 15 to 20 reps per set. But that strength doesn't fully translate to the vertical pull-up pattern. So you might start doing pull-up negatives. Another great exercise, but represents a huge jump in intensity for your grip, your elbows, and lat strength. And this is where most people get stuck. Rows are too easy and negatives are too hard. What you need here is a secret progression that almost nobody does. I call it the seat row, and this is the missing link that bridges your horizontal and vertical pulling strength. You'll need a suspension trainer or racked bar set up around hip height. Get in the tabletop inverted row position. Feet flat, hips up, and shoulders directly under the straps or bar. Start the movement by pulling your shoulders back and down. Think long neck and proud chest. As you begin to row, allow the hips to flex, sitting your butt straight down as you pull up. You'll finish in a vertical flexed arm hang position supported by your feet. This is where the name seat row comes from. You look like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Slowly reverse the movement. Recline your torso as you straighten your elbows and bridge your hips back to the starting tabletop position. There are a ton of ways to modify and progress the seat row to match your training needs. First, you can do these rows with any grip orientation. Overhand, underhand, neutral grip, and anything in between. The simplest progression is just performing the seat row very slowly. This will really challenge your grip, arms, and back with time under tension through those novel angles. Next, you can start supporting your entire body weight by quickly bringing your feet off the ground in the top or bottom position. This is a safe and scalable way to build your hang time without jumping up on a pull-up bar. A cool variation that I got from Ryan at GMB Fitness is what he calls the reverse row sit back. This is where you perform a full inverted row, sit back into the vertical hang position, bridge back up into the row position, and lower down. Of course, the most advanced variation is performing the entire movement with your feet off the ground. Basically, you're doing a tuck knee ice cream maker. The seat row is really the only exercise that forces your muscles to navigate from a horizontal pull to a vertical hang. And in my pull-up program, it's the crucial progression that unlocks the top end strength you need to get your chin over the bar. But it's only one piece in a broader system designed to get you your first pull-up. So if you want to learn more, just check the link in the description.